Welcome to episode 1 of PolyAcademy series. Today, this short tutorial is on Wondershare Filmora, one of the best and easiest video editor you can use to make your own content. Just a quick overview about why Filmora. In the market, even though we have other softwares like the Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and so on, Filmora is still the most affordable and easy to learn option with so many new features. Filmora has affordable monthly or annual subscription plans and also a special one-time perpetual plan too. Further, it is compatible to iPhones, Android, Windows, and Mac operating systems. What you see now is a travel video in one of our YouTube channel playlists. This video is made using Filmora. This tutorial will not be a step-by-step instructions only video. Instead, we will use actual footages from the trip to show you step-by-step on how to use the Filmora features and make a very short video as an example. This way, you can take raw footages from any trip, function, or party and convert it into something you are proud to share. It is great for content creation for YouTube and any other forms of video marketing like featuring your own products or company clients. Let us begin. Projects open up into a very simple overview. In the first step, interface overview, we will look at the 3 main aspects. Filmora tools and media onto the top, timeline panel on the bottom where you edit and build your video, and the preview panel to the right where you can view the final video in real time. Note that you can always change the project settings by going to the File, Project Settings. I am going to change the frame rate to 30. You can also change the aspect ratio based on the video type you are working with. Long form or shorts or reels. I am also going to change the audio rate 48,000. Next step is to import media. You can import any media by clicking Media Tool icon on the top. It is always good to keep the media you want to use organized. From one of the folders, I am going to select a good front image. You can either import it like this or drag and drop from another window like this video. All these imported files can be under the project media on the top left side. All these imported files are shown as blocks called clips, complete with their file names, visual thumbnails, and audio waveforms through time. Next, we will look at the timeline panel. Timeline panel generally consists of 2 tracks, video tracks with images and videos, audio tracks with sound clips like music, voiceover, and recordings. You can zoom in or out by clicking or dragging on the timeline, or by clicking the zoom buttons on the top right of the timeline panel. Click anywhere on the timeline to check a particular frame or use the playback buttons. Pay attention to the auto ripple option in the timeline. If this is on and you cut any clip, Filmora moves all the clips following in timeline to cover the time gap. Turn it off if you do not want any gap compensations. You can always go to edit and undo or click Ctrl+Z if you make any mistake. Let's dive in and look at the basic editing. To adjust any clip length, just click and drag its edges. This cuts part of the video or audio content in time. Then click and drag. Whereas to split any video or audio clip, place the marker and click on the scissors button. For any basic editing, we click on the clip, go to the rightmost panel. Under the video, we can uncheck the uniform scaling option in order to edit the size freely. Under compositing, we can decide the blend mode and change the opacity. Background tab lets us choose either an image blur, color or pattern as background. You can also add shadow if you would like. Further, you have so many other options like the motion and planar tracking, noise reduction, and so on. In the audio tab, you can change the volume either on the right or you can drag and adjust it on the clip timeline. There are also options like fade in, fade out, pitch, equalizer, and so on to play with. Within the speed tab, you can either reduce the speed and clips get shorter in time, or we can just make the clip go slower. In the animation tab, we are going to add zoom in option. You also have so many other options to choose from. In the color tab, we select brighten option, and again, so many options here. Further, you can also choose to adjust brightness, contrast, and so on separately too. Now let's look at how to add B-rolls. Click on the stock media on the top. Going to type in Yosemite here. This looks good. Let's drag and drop this here. As you can see, there are a plethora of supplemental options here, especially under the Library Lab based on your subscription plan. Now let's see how to add audio, music, and voiceovers. If you want to record with your microphone, just click on the voiceover button on the top right of the timeline panel. You can also add a prompt and create music using the AI. Today we are going to use the text-to-speech AI option. Let us type in a welcome message. Next, we select a voice. You can also select the speed, pitch, and so on. We now wait for it to process. Progress bar can be seen right on the top. Just drag and drop it in. Going to delete the captions here and drag it to the start. Now we go to the audio tab and select the Universal Music Library. Going to type journey here. This audio sounds good. Drag it here to the timeline and trim it to fit the video. You can always edit the volume from the audio tab on the right. Next, we will look at the titles. Click on the title icon on the top. So many to choose from. I am going to select this style. With titles, you can drag and drop it as an independent clip. You can adjust its properties by clicking it on the preview panel or by selecting the options on the right side. Font, font size, text format options, color, and much more. Next, we look at transitions. Inside transitions, you find several visual transitions to drag and drop on any clip edge, or between two consecutive clips. You can move it or drag it and customize its properties as you would like. Now let's look at effects, filters, and stickers. For the effects, you click on the effects icon on the top and select an effect that you would like to insert into your video. Rest of the process remains the same. Same goes with the filter icon. So many to choose from. For the stickers, after clicking on the icon, I want to use one of these. Drag and drop to clip where I need it and resize it as required. Here I am going to quickly add a title and name the place here in the video. Next, we will look at the templates. On the templates icon on the top, first we will look at the split screen templates that can be very useful. I am going to use this two-part split screen for this video. Drag and drop into the timeline where you need it. Let us again go to media and import 2 more videos. You can directly drag and drop these videos onto the split screen. Going to zoom it in to make it look better and fit well. You can also go into the advanced option if you need to change or edit anything in more detail. Similarly, we also have the templates tab, which contains many inbuilt ones, which we can directly drag and drop or insert our own footage into. This helps you with saving time on editing and adding transitions or animations. Before we go to the next step, I am going to add some more transitions in between. A couple of title text in order to label the locations. Next, to save the project, we click on File, Save Project As, and we save it as a WFP file with all the Filmora features in order to be able to reopen the project and work whenever. We will now go into the preview and exporting options. Go to the preview panel to look at the actual video, and once you are satisfied with it, it is time to export. Once you click the export button, you can option to save it in device. Another option lets you to log in with your social media. You can also save it locally in your computer by reconfirming the project settings like frame rate, resolution, aspect ratio, and that's it. There you have it. Let us look at how the video actually turned out to be. Trip is now a story. We started with raw footage and built something quick but worth watching. Now looking at its use case scenario, whether it's a birthday, an anniversary, or the end of the year, turning your memories into a video makes it a gift people actually remember. And as previously mentioned, it is a great tool for content creators of every kind. So now you have seen the complete workflow, most common features, and every step from blank project to finished export. If this video helped you, affiliate link to download Filmora is given in the description. Using it supports PolyAcademy future episodes like this one. Subscribe to learn, create, and transform. This is PolyAcademy. See you in the next episode.